When the iPhone 17 lineup was released, they had an exclusive camera feature called Dual Capture Mode. In iOS 27, Dual Capture is now available in FaceTime. Want to try it out? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Dual Capture Mode in FaceTime in iOS 27. Now let's get started. To begin, all participants on the FaceTime call need to be running iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To use Dual Capture Mode on FaceTime, begin by making a FaceTime video call as you normally would. Once the other person joins the call, you can switch to Dual Capture Mode by tapping the Flip button on your camera preview window. By default, flipping to the back camera will now put you in Dual Capture Mode, with the back camera view being larger and your front camera view being smaller. You can continue your call showing both views, or tap the Flip button again to switch back to just showing the front camera. If you'd like to switch to just showing the back camera, flip to Dual Capture Mode, tap the window showing your front camera view, then tap the icon to turn off your front camera. Note that the Dual Capture Mode is currently only available on iPhone 17 models, including the base model 17, the 17 Pro and Pro Max, as well as the iPhone Air. We hope to see this feature expand to all devices that can run iOS 27 in the future. That's all it takes to use Dual Capture Mode on FaceTime in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.